to ensure you acquire today's most in-demand skills. All key concepts are presented in a blended learning approach that combines self-paced learning content and live virtual classes. Preparatory courses are in the form of online videos that you can follow at your own convenience and pace. We have worked closely with industry experts to integrate the latest research and curriculum into our courses. The last few years have already set the pace, as we see a high demand in the job market for skilled and certified cloud professionals across industries. Because of the demand and supply gap, we expect cloud computing jobs to be extremely lucrative. So, who are cloud professionals and what do they do? Cloud professionals have a profound understanding of cloud provider architecture and are able to monitor cloud maintenance, planning, security, and use across the organization they work for. They are mainly focused on the design and implementation of cloud infrastructure and advise on available cloud architecture. This postgraduate program will kickstart your career in every realm of business, opening a multitude of new avenues for you to pursue. Let's look at the key features of the program. You will be part of more than 300 hours of blended learning. You will have lifetime access to the e-learning content of this program. You will be eligible for master classes from Caltech instructors. There are more than 30 hands-on projects on integrated labs and a capstone project in 4 different domains. You can select your preferred domain